Hey guys, I'm Pat.
I'm Jen.
And this is Nigel, and
Paloma.
Paloma's way down here. Hey, all you new subscribers, appreciate you subscribing and following along. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and follow us. We're kind of tentatively planning to try to do a lot of fun stuff this year. We just like to get out and share some adventures, enjoy the journey, because there's beautiful places out here. And in the U.S., Canada, and who knows, maybe Mexico, to go and see. And I know not everyone gets a chance to. And we're fortunate enough, so we want to take you guys along and enjoy the journey. Alrighty guys, so we came out here to White Salmon Sno-Park. Tried to do a little snowshoeing. We're gonna do an overnight out here with the van. There's Jen behind us. And we don't know if it's gonna snow tonight. I think it might snow a little. But the parking lot usually is pretty clear and it's very full because we have a foot or two of snow that fell. The last time we tried to come up here earlier this week and we couldn't make it. So we're gonna take you along and spend the night out in the snow park, and give Nigel a kind of a test run, and hopefully you guys will enjoy the views like we are. Alrighty, Jan. What are you eating?
A bowl. White rice, black beans, ground beef, and avocado.
Alright, me too. We're out at the White Salmon Sno-Park. And we decided to make some food real quick. And we're going to spend the night, and we're going to get up early in the morning. Well, we're going to get up in the morning and do some more snowshoeing. Paloma's behind me playing with her toy. You can see right here. She has her squeaky. So we're going to wake up in the morning, go do a little more snowshoeing over on this side by the river, They opened up another area across the street, so we might go check out that area too, and hopefully have some fun. We'll take you guys along. And it's still snowing a little bit, and there's a lot of snow up here, probably about 1.5 feet or more on the ground in the parking lot. So it's pretty cool. So behind that snow, it says dog-friendly trail this way. Come on. Come on. Come on, Pluma. Come. Come on. Come on. Alrighty guys, this is the end of the road, as you can see, and this can be the end of our little video. It's just a short little video coming up to Mount Baker ski area, just below it technically, to do a little overnight camp, and then I get up in the morning and do a little snowshoe. But we didn't have to snowshoe on this trail actually.
Nicely groomed.
Yeah, it's groomed. It is for dog friendly. That's the important part. So we could come up here, and it was groomed enough where we could just walk in our shoes.
Yep.
But snowshoes wouldn't have been a problem either.
Right.
Because you sink a little bit here and there. All in all, it's a beautiful day.
Magical.
And we are out.
Yeah. Bye, guys.